Okay. Just a recapping, like no, yesterday we have created multiple ADSOs, multiple ADSOs, staging advanced ADSO, standard advanced ADSO. So today we'll load data and how it will behave one. Okay, data mart advanced ADSO and direct update ADSO, direct update ADSO. So we'll load one by one and we'll see how it will behave. So this will allow duplicates. This will allow duplicates. It won't allow duplicates. It will overwrite it. It will overwrite it. Okay, this will allow and it will cumulate the values, aggregating the data, aggregating the data. One DSO it will be behave different. Okay, it will overwrite it. Okay, we'll see one by one option. Okay, how it will works. So I think you guys are okay, familiar to create a object in SAP HANA. Go to SAP HANA. Now you can click on this your project. Now you can create, right? So whatever we created yesterday, we need to load the data. Okay. So we are loading data from S4 HANA to BW4. Example. So I have created ADSO, staging ADSO. So let me go there and double click this. If you want to see the what options you selected, I selected inbound queue only. When you are selecting this option, it will allow duplicates. So it will not overwrite as well. Okay. Even if you load multiple times, it will take the data. For example, you loaded 100 records. Again, you load same records, it will allow. Again, if you load same, multiple times you load, okay, it will allow. How many times you load, that many times it will allow. Okay, it won't throw any error and all. When you select this option, when you selecting this compression option, then it will overwrite. Okay, just remember thing. Okay, so now I want to load data for this one. How you will do? Right click on this and go to explore data flow. This is BW4 HANA. I'm creating data flow. So now my object is available here. So what to do now? Just drag and drop this one. So what is my source? Right click and I'm selecting this option. Okay. So how we designed it? What is the objects are available? This material number Kunnar fine. Okay. Now if you want to load file as well, that also it is possible. So first I will show you through S4 HANA, then we'll show you flat file as well. Okay. Okay. So I selected this option. Now okay. See now here, this is the S4 HANA source system automatically will come. This source system is relevant to this 1909 source system and double click on this transformation. So now we are creating the transformation. So here design is very simple. Why to 10 minutes only in the BW4 HANA? You have to analyze more. Okay, go to rules. Don't do anything. So now I need to map it. Okay. So the field is already, see, field is with the same name, then it will map it automatically. See here, Matner, it is mapped it. So now, what is this plant? If you have any plant, yeah. So this I will map to this one. Okay. So this I will map to this one. So in the real time, you will have it, okay? And document number is mapped is webline. This I am giving it to this. So this is how we'll map it in the real time. So all fields are mapped it and record mode, no need to map it, okay? So we'll see, okay, when we are discussing about standard ADSO and change law table, then we'll come to this record mode. So which record is created, which record is modified, we will see. Activate it. Once you activate, this red color will go. Now it is activated. I am closing this option. So now double click on this DTP. So next. So already data sources are replicated. Okay, I did not replicate. Okay. If you are facing any issue, then we will replicate and we'll try. So assume like all data sources available in the BW. I just mapping to ADSO and trying to load. So we are loading data from S4 HANA to ADSO, staging layer, staging advanced ADSO. We created ADSO and with fields, few fields, okay, delta only, or if you want to do it full, not responding. System hang. So once you join in any company, you should get opportunity like create this ADSOs. Okay. So you should ask to your TL what type of ADSO I need to create. Staging advanced ADSO, standard advanced ADSO, or data mode advanced ADSO. Sometimes we'll get requirement already one flow is there, legacy flow. In the S4 HANA flow, we need to design it. So already existing flows are there. You need to understand existing flow and based on that you need to design. That time don't ask to your TL how they build legacy flow and understand that and based on that you can create in the new flow. For everything if you are asking then think like different way. So there is one T code RSMNG T code. So here we need to look for our ADSO. It is loaded or not. Okay. The data load got success or not. So I'm selecting this data store object. Select this and go inside. No, it is not loaded at all. There is a issue. Okay, let me check. Let me load. There was the issue. Okay. So there is a issue. Let me do it one thing. I will replace with new. Delete. Yes. Okay. Remove it. I will design. I'll add. I'll select this time different source system. That is not working. So last time I selected 1909. So I'm selecting this option. Problem with the source system. Few data sources will work for 1909 and 2020. Few with 2020. In the real time, so this is the process you have to follow in the real time. So activate it. Now double click on this. So you need to remember this. This symbol is data source. This symbol is ADSO. This symbol is transformation. You need to remember these symbols. While seeing the symbol itself, you will come to know. See in right side as well. This is the data source symbol, this one. And this info object symbol is triangle. This you can see it. So like this, you need to remember options, okay? So let's try. If it is not working, then we'll load through flat file as well. I'll show you. But in real time, it will not take this much time. But it has to come request here. Once you execute there, it has to come. We go back and execute again. So that means connection is not proper. So this connection has to, okay, I will load through flat file. Let me try one full load, then we'll go for full. Meanwhile, I will design. I will go ADSO and what is this? Magnar. Okay. What is this field? Kunnar. What is this field? Plant. Plant. Okay. So currency. Okay. Kunnar means customer. While I'm saying this, I'm selecting this comma delimited option. And then TDO. Okay, I'm saving it and closing it. So the file was saved it. Close. Okay. Now we'll try. So we already executed. It is came or not, we'll see. So it is not working. Then yeah. So now I have to create data source. So whatever we tried that is not working right. Let me activate this DTP and we'll try last. This is why it is not working, like no source system connection is not proper. Whatever we are using 2020 ODP, this is not working. Once you execute, now just refresh, it has to come. Okay, then the request will come here, but it is not working. Fine, I will load through Flatpal and will show you. Okay, and go here and I will remove this option as well. So now I'm going to create Flatpal. How we will create flat file data source, expand this data source, and now we need to select this file. Under this file, we'll create it. Okay. And under this, I will create. Okay. First, this connection is fine. Yes. Then I'll create new data source, creating data source. Okay. So we need to give the file. Okay. We need to give data source name. So we need to select our transactional data source because we have a amount key figure. And now I'm selecting this. So our file should be closed, otherwise we'll face issue. Okay. So now I didn't open it, I closed it already. So now we need to select the file, right? So here you can select Excel file or else you can select this file as well. So if you are selecting this, then it will be like no CSV file. Okay. Now you can select this file. Where is this file? This is TD1. This is CSV file. You can see CSV file. Ignore first row. Okay. Here you can select comma, semicolon, and then you can select this show file content. It is showing the file. This is only our file data. Close this one and go to here and derived fields. Now click OK. These are the fields ours. Okay, select all. You can finish it. So now you can see all the fields in this list. So now you will come to know. Okay, document number carry. Okay, like this. If you want to make it key field, yes, I'm making this key field, and you can select this field if you want to make it key field as well and activate it. So this is the way we'll create the data source, flat file data source. Now I wanted to move this, add into this. Just drag and drop. And what is our data source name? Add. I'm just adding it. So already this data source already available. Same name I will give. Now just map it. See, this is like no, not S4HANA. This is like flat file only. We need to do mapping like this and select this transformation symbol. Now new transformation is creating. Click finish. Now you can see, observe it. This is target. This is source. What is the source? Data source. GDS underscore TD1. From here we are loading to this DSO. Okay. Finish it and then we'll map it. So we need to map the fields as well. So now, okay, all the fields are mapped it already and few we need to map it. Okay. Currency, you can map it. And now document number, you can map it.
What is the importance of key, bro?
It will not allow any duplicates when you are using, say, for example, um, from where, on what basis we are creating a data source? What basis we are creating the data source? Based on the table only, right? So in the table, what is the key field? Example, you have a table, employee. So in the employee ID is there, and the employee number is there, employee name, and also salary is there. So these are the fields are there, okay, in the table, employee table. So if I don't select employee ID as a key, so I want to make it as a key, this one. Okay, in the table itself. So if I enter any entry in this table level, example 101. So again, if you give 101, it will take employee ID should not be same, right?
Okay, it should be unique. Yeah.
Unique, yeah. Okay, by using this primary keys, it will not allow any duplicate value. It will not allow null as well. Sometimes you will not give anything. Okay, you will give blank and you will give the name like this Dinesh and this is salary. So like this you will give. So it will allow. This is wrong way, right? Designing. So employee ID should be mandatory field. We need to give some value. That means don't keep blank and also don't give same number. That is the importance of primary key.
So in that case, like it will be removed, the duplicates value and null values will be removed if we opt as a key, or it
Yeah.
won't take the.
See, so yes, it will identify the duplicates, but our here we are creating staging advanced ADSO. How it will allow duplicates, I will discuss. Once we load the data, you will come to know.
Okay.
Generally, this duplicate it won't allow. Okay. So now how it will allow, I will show you the staging advanced ADSO. So now it is activated. Same data will load multiple times. How it will allow, we'll see now. Okay. Now activate it. So there is no delta. See, we created. Okay. Now once you execute, now it will show you the request here. Why? Now it is loaded. Now let me go here and that is, oh, the system is gone. Okay, fine. So I will click on this administration target. Now I can see, right? This is DSO, right? This is only we are trying. If you go here, you can see GADSO underscore AB. There only, right? We loaded. Now I can able to see. So now you can see this is staging advanced ADSO. I can see inbound table. Now you can see this. So while you are designing ADSO, staging advanced ADSO, we don't have option to create select the keys. But here we have a keys. What are the keys? You can see display. So this whatever is you can see green color, gray color. So these are like no keys in the table level. By default, system only taken it. I did not given it. Okay. By default system only taken it. See here. Go to okay. Let me open. So in the real time also you can go user parameters and you can select ALV grid so that you can see proper way. So now you can see these are the key. The color is different. By default came. So that is the way it will allow the even if you load multiple times same record it will allow. So again I will load it. We'll see. Now I am executing now. So okay, execute. Okay, now I will go here and I will refresh it. See here, how you will get to difference? First, see this record number 5. Again started record number 1, 2, 3. How you will recognize? This timestamp is different, right? First request timestamp is this is different. You can see. Based on this, it will see like no unique data. This is loaded 2026 05 26 0155. This is like no 2026 05 26 date 0157. 2 minutes are different. Okay, timestamp. Are you getting me? Even data packet is same and record number is different. So this number is different, right?
Yes.
So in this way, like no, I did not added request number and data packet and record number. So because of the staging DSO, we are using like no to storing the raw data. Whatever you have file level, that will store as it is. I am not applying any business logic. So whatever you have data in the ECC or S4HANA, exactly I am storing into staging advanced DSO. This is what we discussed. Staging advanced DSO, we are storing the raw data without applying any business logic. The purpose of we will create into the staging layer. So this is the first layer. When we are executing the data in the BW, that will store it to the staging ADSO first level. So this is okay. So I'm not applying any logic. So now you can see this is, even though if you load, so this is not treating like new, this is not treating like duplicates. Even if you execute one more time, so it will allow. So this is the way it will allow based on the three characteristics. In the inbound table, we can see three characteristics: request number, packet number, record number. Based on this, by default, it is partitioned by the data. So it will show you the unique data. Okay, go here. Now I can refresh it. See, I loaded three times. Based on these three fields, I can see the unique data. There is no duplicate. How can I say duplicate? See, this is different timestamp. This is different timestamp. This is different timestamp. This is not a duplicate. So if you remove these three fields, then this is a duplicate. For example, if you go here and you can remove right side, now this is duplicate. Uh, see why it is not working. Close. Go to here. I don't know why it is not working. Generally, it will work. Okay, right side. Close. Now it is duplicate actually. Now it is duplicate. So the fields are there, right? So these are all duplicates only. So if you have these three fields, then it is not a duplicate. Okay. This is how it will allow duplicates as well. Every record it will treat like no new record. So the staging advanced ASO will treat every record as a new record based on the three fields. What are those fields? Request number, packet number, and record number. Based on these three fields, you can treat like no every record as a new record. Mainly, you will use staging advanced ASO. So for storing raw data without applying business logic. Okay, clear? Okay, as it
Yes,
is,
brother.
I'm storing it. Okay. So this is the purpose. We'll create staging advanced ASO and you can load multiple time also it will allow. So we having only one table staging advanced ASO, that is inbound table. I don't have any active table. You can see it. Close and go back. So let me show you again. Go back. So now you can see refresh it. I loaded three times, right? I can see these many times. Okay. So I don't have activation symbol. If we have activation symbol, then we have a active table as well. So right click here, you will get like no inbound active table and change law table. These two are disable mode. Okay, I having only one inbound table. Inbound table and knee table both are same. Go to menu, see here. Don't confuse. Go to utilities. See, I can see new data. New data means inbound table only. So active table and change law table is there, but it is disable. Okay, this is the staging advanced ASO. We'll use it. Now I will see standard advanced ASO. Go back. So where is that? Let me close all. Yeah, this is the standard advanced ASO. Right click and I will go to, sorry, I'll go to data flow. So now what I will do, drag and drop this data source. And whatever we created data source, just add it. Add object. Already created add object. If you want to create, you can use. I'm using this one and mapping. How you will do it? Just map it like this. Double click transformation. Now see, this is the source. Source here you can see source. This is the target. When target is DSO. This is standard ADSO now. This is data source. Click. and now we need to map it. Just check it, cross check it in the real time as well. So this